Hey y'all, I thought I would share some old pictures with you guys from when I first started doing my nails, which was around 2013. So these are from 2013, 2014. Oh my god, that one's so hideous. The picture before it is what it looked like at first, and I should have left it. But this is when I was just starting out, honey. Obviously, I didn't even know nothing about cleanup, as you can see. But this was me starting and practicing on my nails, and I would do my daughter's nails a lot, so some of these pics are of her nails as well. But I used to do nail art all the time. And then the next set of pictures are from 2016 to 2017. I was starting to get a little bit better. I have to get back to doing my nail art. I've gotten lazy with just wanting to polish and stick a sticker on and be done with it. But I really do like to do nail art and use my nail vinyls and foils and all that stuff. But yeah, I thought it would be fun to show y'all some of my very old super beginner nails for my Nailtober video of the day. Make sure notifications are turned on so you'll know when the next Nailtober video is up, and make sure you're subscribed.